Hey guys, this is Corey Green. This is week one of our Android Java development class, and I'm here to show you my application, which is this little guy right here. It's running in a simulator. It's week one's project, and here you can see we have basically a text area. I'm not sure how to really describe it at this point. Um, and we have a text field right here which we can click on into, and it doesn't actually do anything because it's in the simulator, but we can type a name here, and that's a really weird name, but we click on this button here, and it essentially calls upon this function right here, and whatever is in this section right here will get filled in to that field. So it basically adheres to whatever you type. And down here is the outcome of a function, which I will show you here in just a second. But yeah, that is basically my project. There's not a whole lot to it, but I will show you some of the back end stuff here. So starting from the top, we define our linear layout, and that is essentially right here. We have a new text view that gets generated right here, which is enter in your name, and it gets added to what would essentially be the subview. Further down we have another edit text button, which is the field in which you actually click on and enter in your name. And this actually, I don't know why I did it this way, but I just did it this way. I called upon a resource, and it's a string, and it's of type your name here, which is this guy right here. So it is actually calling upon an XML node, I think they call it. So going back to our main activity, and that gets inputted right here. So further down, the temporary name field gets filled in with whatever you choose to type in with this right here. And this is my button section right here. It's a function that gets called once you actually hit that button, and gets filled in with the text. So further on down here, I decided to change things up a bit and introduce a little bit of logic. So we've got an integer being called upon, which is 99, Boolean value, and a string value, and a few conditionals. So if the first number equals 100 and yes or no equals true, both of those statements have to be true in order for this entire thing to be correct. So that gets outputted via this function right here, which gets called and coincides with this function right here. So that actually just passes in a string and then outputs it to the screen. So that is my application. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I look forward to the weeks ahead. See you later.